Page 14, Aloft. They're introducing you to a style of music called impressionism, impressionistic music. It's where it's not so much you're listening to melodies, although there can be melodies in it. It's more like it's just the harmonies, the different colors of chords and how they mix together and how the sounds mix together. Probably sounds better if you're on drugs. I'm not sure. I haven't tried drugs, but you have to keep an open mind. This is not going to sound like Beethoven or Mozart. Okay. For instance, that top part, that top line called impressionism, it sounds weird, but that's it. Just sounding, you're playing with the different chords. This and this, playing that and then this, adding all that together, all those notes together, just mixing them up. That's the effect they wanted. That's the effect they got. Okay, so we can expect Aloft to sound sort of like that, sort of, maybe a little. Just be open. Just trust the notes that you're playing the right notes. So let's look at Aloft. You see the quarter notes? You know what quarter notes look like, I hope? And the half notes, and then you got whole notes at the end of each line. Okay. I don't want to keep explaining them. I've explained them, and by now, hopefully, you're getting the idea of how the relationship of how many quarter notes are in a whole note or a half note or whatever. The notes you're going to be playing, they want you here again. Play using this, on this, and the left hand, they want you on these three black keys. So all of these are together. Those are the notes you're going to play. And you can already tell it sounds wonderful, don't it? Now, you can go ahead and play it here if you want. It might sound better if you played it up here. You can also try it up here. Try it in different places. Now, down here doesn't work because it gets muddy. It just sounds like a blob. You can hear the notes better up here. Here. So try it in different places on the piano. But this is, you're here and you're just playing the finger numbers. That's basically what it is. The second line, you're going down. Okay, well, fun. Now, over on the right-hand side in the middle of the page, they have a piano P. P is the abbreviation. The Italian word is piano, and it means softly, soft. We've had F for forte is loud. Well, this is P for piano, soft. It's light. How soft? I don't know. You have to decide what soft is. You can get softer than this, so it's not super duper soft. It's just soft. They want this to be soft. So play it softly. Yeah. Let's play it together slowly and make sure you got all the notes and rhythms okay. I'll give us 4 counts. Now remember, the left hand's going to play the notes with the stems going down, and the right hand plays the notes with the stems going up. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now, assuming you can do that okay, no hesitations or nothing. And by the way, try and keep your eyes on the music here. Don't be looking at your key while you're playing this if you can help it. I know it's more interesting to look at the keyboard, but we want to develop that feel for the keyboard and the keys. So I encourage you, try not to look at the keyboard while you're playing this stuff, because you're not moving around. Once you're there, you got to remember which finger's on which key. Just the way it is, but it happens. You'll get it. It's not really that hard after a few years of trying to see it, but you'll get it. Now there is music at the bottom of the page, so we can do a duet. I'm going to play the music at the bottom of the page, I hope. That's got all kinds of mess in it. And then you play what you just played. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit because this is supposed to go a little quicker. I'm not going to take it at the speed they're suggesting. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. I'll give us 4 counts and let's try it. Now here, if you want, you can move these up here, play at different parts of the piano and see what you think. I'm going to go 1, 2, ready, go. And then we go 1, 2, ready, go.